Odin's retribution for him being here? He's put your granddaughter in danger. He's made your son miserable.
Look, you didn't kill Heimdall. His father did. Your daughter is old enough to make her own mistakes. And your husband started drinking again, all on his own. Dismissed! You two, a word.
Can't you see what's happening? He's not protecting us. Maggie, Moni, our boys. We used to tell them stories by the fire. Do you remember? We would carve the wooden horses. We would play and laugh until the sun sank and we fell asleep in our laps. They were thrown at the Allfather's problems like brittle knives to a mountain face. And for what? What fruits next?
One is in my city.
You killed my son. Son in revenge. Turn my father against me. My daughter.
I have no idea what's happening.
No, I finally thought of something I can teach you.
Hey,
You
stand down! Something better be right. Waggy! Sindri! Ugh. You sure know how to plan an exit.
Atreus.
Glad you're safe, lad.
Got out just in time. Pretty sure I burned my bridges in Asgard, though. Wait, why were you out here?
Simply told us where you would arrive if you find trouble.
Oh, you might have been smart enough.
No, lad. Your dad was just confirmed.
No!
Now that you mention it, brother,
How come down?
don't you miss the three of us out finding our own adventures?
Putting off the inevitable.
Exactly.
It's not the worst idea. I do want to show everyone the mask, but little key.
اه بشوف اللي جوه المسجد. جيسوا بقى بالجيش.
Back, everybody! You made it!
I'll get to you. Do you want to set the table if you're ready to stay?
See? I told you the key would get him home.
Because you tapped it with a hammer. Dwarven magic makes no sense.
Right?
الشمس بيغمض يا
Make me a
لهوي.
breastplate out of dog barks. You're back. I still can't figure that out. You okay?
I'm fine. I just hope unlocking this thing is worth the cost.
You have it. What did it show you?
I didn't get to use it. They found out about Heimdall. I had to run. But at least Odin can't use it either.
But if you didn't get any answers from the mask, all you've done is steal Odin's greatest treasure.